Okay, so pretty much for this week, we're gonna be working on this Freightliner Classic. We're gonna be showing you guys pretty much a little bit of how it got to us. It's on pretty rough condition. The plan with this will be full interior, and also we're gonna be doing some audio. We're gonna be adding some new speakers, also like 2 amps, new head unit. Okay, so pretty much we are just finished on this truck. I really love how it came together. It was in pretty bad condition when it got to us. So what we ended up doing on this case was full interior, like how you guys can see, we did all the leather, we redid the seats, all this on this beautiful brown. For the lighting, we went with purple with the dash, and then for the rest of the cab, we did amber lights. Also, he wanted to do the door trims. On those, they say Classic, and when they open the door, pretty much they're gonna be lighting up on purple as well. The audio sounds insane. We end up putting 3,000 watts for the speakers, and then 2,000 watts for the bass. So everything looks good. So pretty much we're just waiting for the client to come and pick it up.